Hello everyone. I am Nabiha. In this Ethical Issues in Personal Selling, I will explain more regarding type of the issue in misusing confidential information. In addition, offering information about consumers' competition in exchange for an order is unethical. Long-term relationship can develop only when consumers trust salespeople to maintain confidentially. Therefore, disclosing confidential information gives bad reputation which is untrustworthy to the salespeople. In company perspective, proprietary information, also known as a trade secret, is information a company wishes to keep confidential. Proprietary information can include secret formulas, processes, and methods used in production. It can also include a company's business and marketing plans, salary structure, customer lists, contracts, and details of its computer systems. In some cases, the special knowledge and skills that an employee has learned on the job are considered to be a company's proprietary information.
Hello. My name is Fatin Natasha. And I would like to explain about ethical and legal issues of backdoor selling. What is backdoor selling? Backdoor selling is defined as a strategy used by sales personnel to extract information about a company in order to have an edge over other investors. This is a dishonest tactic and it is regarded illegal. Sellers use this strategy to cleverly extract information that the buyer might ordinarily not want to disclose. Backdoor selling, acquiring sensitive data. Data 1, backdoor selling is all about achieving those two things, namely confidential buyer data and information your rivals don't have. Data 2, non-purchasing employees have less training in dealing with salespeople compared to their purchasing department colleagues. In fact, many of them have no training at all. Ethical and legal issues. Organizations don't put purchasing rules in place just to complicate things. They want to get the most value for their money, and things like competitive bidding requirements are designed to make that more likely. People within the organization who cut backdoor deals may well be damaging their company's competitive position. In situations where purchasing rules are actually legal requirements, as is often the case with government agencies, backdoor deals can be illegal. Hello, I'm Nadia Izadi. So I will continue with special treatment. Why special treatment is important, and of course we as salespeople want to give special treatment to customers. But sometimes a salesperson will definitely find a customer who, no matter how much the salesperson does for them, but they still always want more. In fact, have some customers who still place a lot of orders to salespeople like them. These are their personal servers. In these situation, the salesperson should be open-minded and logical, as not all customers can provide benefits to them and may have customers out there who may also be worth owning to them and his company. In addition, salespeople must always be on the path of work set by the company as a salesperson, which is to provide excellent customer service and not allow customers to take advantage of their work as salespeople. So basically, some customers take advantage of their status to get special treatment from salespeople, which may upset other customers who do not get the special attention. This special service can reduce the salesperson's productivity. Therefore, salespeople should be diplomatic but careful about undertaking requests to provide unusual services. One of the ways that a salesperson can do is to always be careful before giving special treatment to the customer, such as manage customer expectations. There are some customers who might be better off without it, but the salesperson needs to be careful and not make a hasty decision, as maybe the customer is likely to be costly to himself and his company. So, if a salesperson has customers who want special treatment from them, make sure these salespeople first try to manage their expectations before giving treatment to them. In addition, salespeople can provide special treatment to customers in appropriate situations according to the situation. But giving special treatment to customers is a big part of creating positive word of mouth. Moreover, customer feelings can impact the way salespeople treat them. They can get a wow experience from the salespeople there if they are good at catering to their requests. Also, the more customers get the wow experience and they are happy, then this can give a good name to the company. Hello. My name is Norelia Maysara. I will explain about deception as legal and ethical issue in personal selling. Deception can be defined as a statement or action that hides the truth, or the act of hiding the truth. It happens in personal selling where the seller might lying or misleading with some information while selling something to the buyer. Example of deception in personal selling such as giving wrong information to the buyer, lying about the price and also tricking someone with wrong action or communication. Another example of deception is the impact that seller can get when they do the deception in personal selling is it can tarnish the brand image and can be judged as unethical behavior. They might also lose the job as well as can be charged in law. Last but not least, this legal and ethical issue of deception need to be avoided to happen in any business in the future. Hello, I am Ayana. I am going to explain about the ethical and legal issues on bribes, gifts and entertainment. What is bribes? The act of giving money, goods, or other forms of compensation to a recipient in exchange for an alteration of their behavior, to the benefit or interest of the giver, that the recipient would otherwise not alter. For example, a manufacturing firm paying foreign officials money for preferential treatment or to smuggle unregistered goods across a border. What is gifts? The practice of giving gifts to customers, especially at the holiday season, is time-honored in American business. But today, perhaps more than ever before, the moral and ethical climate of giving gifts to customers is under careful scrutiny. For example, some firms put dollar limits on the business gifts they allow their employees to give or receive. Other firms have stopped the practice of giving Christmas gifts to customers. What is entertainment? Business entertainment is definitely a part of sales work, and a large portion of the expense money is often devoted to it. Spending money unwisely on accounts with little potential waste time, and their selling costs will be out of line. On the other hand, determining which gifts and entertainment activity are acceptable and are not ethical issues. However, bribes on the other hand is illegal.